Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author, and a culinary consultant. Today, I'll be making Methi Matar Malai. Methi Matar Malai is a very popular North Indian dish for which I've got here fresh fenugreek, which is methi leaves. I've chopped them fine. So now we get started with it. I'm going to heat up some oil. We'll saute these chopped onions. We're going to saute onions only till they're translucent. We don't want to brown them. It's always a good idea to add a little salt when you're sauteing onions. This cooks the onions a little faster. The onions are turning pink in color. I'm going to add in these masala powder, which is cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. All three are powdered together. I'll add in the green peas, some white pepper powder, chopped fenugreek, saute till the leaves start getting wilted, a little bit of red chili powder, optional, teeny mini bit of sugar just to balance off, some milk, cream, it's malai. So we cook till it's nice and thick. The gravy is thickening up, and to give it a little more creamy feel and thicken it further, I'll add some cashew nut powder. Once you've added the cashew nut powder, you see how creamy and thick it gets. And here you go, our Methi Matar Malai is ready. Now we can plate it. So our Methi Matar Malai is ready. How quick was this? Please do try this recipe and share your comments below. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.